In the last video, we discussed some low-fidelity prototyping materials you can use for your projects. In this video, we're going to talk about a real example brought to us by the Houston Fire Department. The Houston Fire Department is attempting to innovate by bringing patients and doctors together in emergency situations. In an emergency situation, a patient is given a mobile-enabled tablet device and allowed to connect to a doctor in real time via video chat. Now, none of the commercial solutions available allow these tablets to be held one-handed or in multiple configurations. The patients may be weak, immobilized, or in different positions. So the Houston Fire Department has tasked us with prototyping a one-handed tablet holder. So if this was your project, what materials would you use to make a low-fidelity prototype? Pause the video now, look at this grid of materials, and select some materials that you would use to build this prototype. You've just selected some materials to prototype a one-handed tablet holder. There's a multitude of ways to solve this problem. We've selected some representative student work. We're going to show you these prototypes and identify the low-fidelity materials that were used for each of the prototypes. This is prototype number 1. It features an adjustable height and a handle like a tennis racket. And it's made of the following materials: white styrofoam, straws, masking tape, a black mesh, and a moldable clay for the handle. This is prototype 2. The tablet is held at its corners, and your fingers go through the green strap on the back, and then it rests upon your palm. This prototype is made of the following materials: blue foam, pipe cleaners, orange mesh, foam sheets, Velcro, and some bolts. This is prototype 3. The frame folds around the tablet, and there's a mitten in the back for your hand. This prototype is made of the following materials: construction paper, Velcro, glue, and felt. In this video, we've discussed some novel uses for low-fidelity prototyping materials for the building of a one-handed tablet holder for the Houston Fire Department. The characteristics of these prototypes and other low-fidelity prototypes are that they're made of low-cost materials and that there's very few tools that are required for their assembly. Keep these principles in mind as you go about prototyping your own solutions.